No, not from the same region.
Me and my roommate do not belong to the same region. He was from Goa and I'm from Mumbai.
We are from Rajasthan.
No, we don't belong to same region.
I don't have a particular region. I come from Bombay, which is pretty much a diverse region. So yeah.
No, my roommate belongs to Mumbai and I'm from Goa.
No, we don't belong from the same region.
I had no problem adjusting.
I don't think I've still managed to adjust with him.
Yeah, I adjusted with him very easily.
Yeah, quite easy for us. We both were good friends from starting.
It was quite adjustable. Like we could adjust with each other. Even though he's from Goa, like we usually communicated in English because he didn't know Hindi. Otherwise, it was not a big problem as such.
Yes?
Different cultural background, and we have been raised in different families. So there was slight problems and differences initially, but I think with a little bit of adjustment, we could work it out.
It's in my nature, to interact with different people from different cultures. So it is not that regionalism does not matter. It matters for some people, but not for me. And moreover, I had lived in South India, so I didn't have much of a problem to adjust with someone from Kerala.
No, I don't think it was influenced by cultural reasons or anything. I was able to get along with him right from day one. There was no problem with that. We had some things which in common, so that was good.
I don't think it's got anything to do with region. In this case, it's deeply personal.
It looks like.
So because he came from a background where they only spoke English, while I was from a background where they speak in Hindi, but it wasn't obviously influenced by regional place.
I think it should be based on region, along with the option of changing your roommate after the first semester. People from the same region, initially when they're freshers, are likely to settle together easily. In the event that it doesn't work out, there should obviously be an option of looking for an alternative roommate.
I think the allotment should be done voluntarily. I think the students should give their preferences at first, and based on that, if they can make a sort of list wherein the students can give their own options for their roommates, and after that, I think a more randomized allotment should be done. Most of your interactions in IIT is with your roommate and your wingmate, so I think it's really important, I think, who your wingmates are later on in life as well, because they are the ones you'll be in touch with most of the time.
It should be region wise. It will be better to, for first few months, it would be better if that person is from same region. So you will find more home environment.
According to me, completely randomized allocation would be better, because interaction, if you are from the same region, you will speak the same language. If you are from the different region, like my Hindi a bit improved after coming to IIT because of this.
I don't think room should be allotted on the basis of regions, because many people have problems, and if a person from North India and South India are kept together, all sorts of problems are there. But I think there should be some systematic order, and alphabetical order is probably the best order. It is random as well as it is not completely unsystematic. Definitely, if the rooms are allotted based on the regions, then people don't interact with other wingies. They will have a separate group, 4 or 5 rooms from the same region, and they will be discussing among themselves, and they don't try to involve the people from other rooms.
It should be on regional basis.
Why?
It will give us more frankness with each other.
It should be allowed on regional basis because then it will become there will become groups in the hostel itself. So I think it should be random, purposely you should make it random so that it becomes people from different places interact with each other, and then usually since once a year's passed, they all become friends.
No, the wings should be wings should be mixed, but the rooms should be regional.
I don't think it should be allotted based on regional location, and instead it should be completely random so that you promote mixing entirely.
I don't think room allotment specifically has led to that. I think the existence of region-based groups, for instance, I think South Indian, I think there are cultural forums for all kinds of regions. I think certain communities tend to take it more seriously than others. I don't think it will go away even if you randomize the room allocation.
No, I think it is more of the culture that has been followed. For example, certain groups are already, for example, Telugu people usually match. I mean, the seniors match, so the juniors also get the same thing.
I definitely feel that because I've seen some of my friends who are from my region have been allocated in the same wing. Like there's a wing in Hostel 3 which has almost 16 people from the same region. So it has become a, it's like the whole wing has become a dominant regional wing.
Yes, that definitely has led to formation of local language groups, and this results in people don't mix as a result of this. People stick to their own regional.
Maybe yes.
There aren't too many from my region.
Yes.
Definitely not. My view is my view, and it need not represent the view from my region. I mean, it depends on my experience. I have experience completely different from the people who have come from my state.
May not be.
Yeah, I think so.